Okay, so now you kind of get a better idea in the light. I mean, how many boxes and pallets this is just for the amplifiers and the different these are all flight cases, huge flight cases, super heavy. 3 guys were having to carry these. Box, amplifiers. I think these are the bottom of the base modules. And they're still bringing stuff in, so. How many of you are going to buy this tonight? You can go ahead and call in tomorrow at 3MA and buy a few of these, huh? I'm thinking about getting one for my bathroom. What do y'all think? Anyway. 10 o'clock at night. 10 o'clock at night. Johnny working hard.
I know, trying. Yeah, trying. Let me have a beer.
Okay, I'll pause until we get some new stuff coming in. All right, so just to clarify, guys, this is just the cabinets for the base module. One of the base modules. There's going to be another set of 3. They're going to stack on top of each other. I think middle, base, top. And I think it's important also to know you don't just plop these in.
This is the middle.
That's the middle one.
It has
Okay.
the electronics in it. See, it's got an amplifier on the back and the control.
Okay.
And then the upper and lower ones
sorry.
tethered to it.
This is amazing.
Yeah. We are out for it.
Again, that's Jeremy Bryan, with the president of MBL North
We are born
America.
for this.
He's
right?
up here late at night putting this in. Just to know, all of these had to be put in for this MBL X-Treme. That's why you never see these at shows or most dealers. 20 amp, 20 amp, 20 amp, junction box, 20 amps, 20 amp. Just to run all of these subs and the amps that are required. Again, you'll see when it's fully set up. You can't appreciate right now, but this is just going to be one tower of sub right here. Amplifiers and other things to come. Back on pause, guys. Okay, the lower
we're just moving in here. You guys unbox it. And,
again, because you got 2 101Es on each side, stacked on top of each other inversely. You're basically going to have 4 speakers on each side, in addition to 6 modules that comprise 2 base towers. If you're starting to get the picture, I'm trying to paint the picture, but you're going to see it pretty clear pretty soon. Just want to walk you through the process, though, how difficult this is and why you don't even see these at shows, and very few dealers, if ever in your life, you'll see an MBL X-Treme setup. Stay tuned. Okay, the first unboxing.
All right. First the feet on the bottom ones, which are these
the
4,
feet, okay.
and these bigger nylon feet. We got lucky.
Yeah, crazy. Yeah.
Finally, caught a break. Oh, yeah, see, this is why this is wackadoodle.
So Jason's
this is,
have to get ready to do this because you still have to go to Tony's house and we do the YG
Yep.
before we
We
get a
gotta
set
watch
of
the
these.
YG guys.
And then the MBL is going to be at Tony's house.
That's right. So, yeah,
Finger. Just let it go.
3MA already has a potential buyer for these X-Tremes even before we got them set up. So I'll be spending some time at that gentleman's house. It's an amazing system he already has with YG Sonya 2.3. So definitely going to want to, well, all of you should be subscribed by now if you've got an IQ above room temperature, won't you?
Also, these going to be, Ken's going to might trade in the 101 of these.
Oh, really?
My buddy
Okay.
was telling you the other day.
So Johnny says he's got another customer already interested in these. Beautiful finish. The black and silver is just immaculate. This is the same finish that my friend Doug, who bought the 101Es that are in process, is basically.
Jeremy's going to fly us to Germany for the Munich show. There you go.
The whole gang,
All
like.
right.
I meant to Berlin.
All right.
I meant
Wow.
to Berlin.
Yeah, I'll put some
Oh, so just got
That would be amazing.
The gauntlet is set. If they sell a couple of these, trip to Munich and to MBL's facility for a tour. Maybe I can tag along.
I don't know. This side.
We got this on video, didn't it? I think it applied to me too, right?
On the right side, on the
6, 9.
I'm gonna assume it did.
I'm going blind.
6 or G?
Yeah.
Okay, let me pause again till I get some more good stuff for you guys. So I'm gonna show how these stack on top of each other. Massive pins, aluminum pins, spacers, stainless steel,
Yeah.
spacers.
Okay, they want
I know you have.
Okay, no. Oh, we gotta flip it over before you do that.
Can't move too fast.
I'm getting too excited.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's how things
take
get
it slow
broken.
down. Okay, so
All right, let's just put this in a spot.
Yeah. Well, you gotta have room to work around it though, because
okay,
well,
wait, make
this
sure.
has 4 people. One's got to hold each end,
Okay,
and it has to go down exactly at the same time, or it's not going to go down at all.
Okay.
And it's heavy.
we got
You
4 people.
only have back clearance
What's that
underneath.
section work?
Yeah.
The height of this thing. I've gotten pinched. Did you get pinched last time?
No, because
Yeah, I'm putting on the floor.
It doesn't feel good.
No, it's not fine.
No, it's not.
Yeah, so stacking
How far are we going?
2 modules on top of these is not an easy chore.
This one is.
Let me get out. I'm gonna get out the way here.
Same thing, right?
I don't know which.
These are heavy.
You need some light?
Not yet. So this around here is approximately the outside edge of this.
Are these feet adjustable, Jeremy?
The bugs in the
No.
middle.
The feet on
No,
this?
no, the bug in the
So it's
middle.
all flat. So it's really half, half on the rug, half on. It's either all on the rug or all on the floor, right? These 2 could be on the rug. These 2 on the rug is still gonna
He's
be.
doing it off the,
So it's
No,
gotta be.
it's the height of the rug
basically
is
using that
different.
tape measure, because he knows
Well,
what each
you can
inch
put
is.
like little sort of thing in the
Yeah.
sort of thing. This one,
Yeah,
Can move
put
it
the
in.
2 rows on the back if you want.
Does that make
Or we can put the
Yeah.
woofer all around the floor. Can we slide the carpet this way?
There's some.
Yeah, so why don't we do that?
And Louis, we want to make sure the carpet is, it doesn't look odd when it, you know, this,
Is the carpet in the middle?
Probably not right
You
now.
wanna do that right now before
Let
you
me
do that?
check the carpet.
Why?
We gotta slide the carpet that way.
Okay, that's why I wanna make sure before we do that, cause
it's
there's nothing
permanent
on
once
there.
you put those on there.
Yeah, we still can move this carpet, but the box, if we need to move it
So as you're seeing here and hearing,
before we start.
balancing aesthetics as well with perfect placement. When you're talking about 2 huge woofer towers plus 2 huge speakers,
Yeah, which way we going?
you have to
Where's the center?
massage a lot of variables
So the center of the room is right.
and require quite a
Yeah,
few
the rug.
people
The rug has.
to set these up.
Make the rug in the center, so this way we don't have
Put a
to,
piece of tape down.
so the speakers sit on in the middle of the rug.
We'll go ahead and pause and let them figure this out and show you the next step as applicable. Okay, the moment of truth, we're just
That
putting
is the
second.
clearance. When that is sitting on here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's literally,
Will compress.
if you got fat fingers, you don't want them stuck in there.
Luis.
My fingers are thin, okay?
Did you get clipped the last time?
Alrighty.
Pick it up so I don't have to grip this.
Go.
Don't let don't pick it up from the ground.
Pick up the bottom.
Oh, it's gonna top it?
Gotta be completely flat.
Alright, now ready?
Yep.
This side is good.
Watch your everything. You gotta come down a little more on the front here.
This side is in.
Trying to stay clear without and give you guys a clear picture, but
Watch your fingers, cause you guys have to remember when we're doing this, right? Cause we have to set it up at Tony's house and Ken's house, so you wanna make sure we're doing just the way it's supposed to be.
Jeremy's gonna fly.
he's already planning
Oh, okay, that's even
the
better.
customers that are buying these.
So I
Come
can
back
go
and
with my
guide
wife
us.
to on a vacation. So I can go to Japan. Which one we gotta do next?
339.
We gotta. Can we
Okay, let's take a
make sure
quicker
that
look
the
here.
floor is,
Beautiful finish.
wherever.
The black and silver is so classy.
We can later.
Just-
Just a mirror. You can see me in there. It's like a mirror.
We're gonna have to put some shoes on.
Okay, we'll put some shim there.
Let's wait and see what
Yeah.
happens when the full weight is on.
There's going to be another one.
Water?
That'll be fun to see the next one go on top of this. And again, these are just the base modules, guys. It's not even talking about the 4 sets of 101Es that got to be set up yet. So pause again and let you see the next momentous
We're gonna flip it here.
Not by the
thing
side.
that pops up.